Hey guys, get a lot of questions on Facebook about what PostNet is and what we do out here. So I want to take you on a quick virtual tour of my store and kind of show you all the services we provide for small business owners or really anybody that we can help out. Have you been looking for someone who can customize vinyl decals or vinyl lettering for your business or for your family? We have you covered. We can create any custom graphic or lettering you can imagine, such as business signs, DOT numbers, or card decals. We can always have an order done within 24 to 48 hours. Maybe you need large formatted printing, such as a paper poster for your kid to ask his or her date to prom, blueprints for your new house, your new business, or a large paper banner that you've seen your kids run through at a football game. This machine can do all of that and scan and email the projects to you. Do you need live scan fingerprints for a new job, a state certification, the adoption process, or maybe a concealed weapons permit? We've got you covered. Go to fieldprint.com to schedule your appointment for live scan fingerprinting or I-9 verification. Do you have a home-based business where you don't want to use your home address as your business address and have it out there for the world to see? You can rent a mailbox here and use our physical address as your address for your business. Have you ever had a package or mail stolen, or the carriers can't seem to deliver your stuff? Unfortunately, this happens all too often. Our solution is using our address to send your packages and mail to. It's kept in a secure location until you're ready to pick it up. Furthermore, the different carriers only deliver during our business hours, so you know someone's always here to receive your package. Do you need large format color printing for things like banners, artwork, posters, or signage? We print on various materials such as vinyl, canvas, foam core, and coroplast. Your project will be complete within 24 to 48 hours. Another benefit of PostNet is we offer complete printing, copying, and finishing services. While you're here, we can notarize your documents, take your passport photos, and you can pick up some office supplies on your way out. My name is Zach Smith with PostNet West Valley. We're located on 3556 South, 5600 West in West Valley City, Utah. Thank you for watching.